Achieve unparalleled color accuracy in your print projects by mastering the art of spot colors in Photoshop and exporting them flawlessly to PDF. First, open your Photoshop document and navigate to the Swatches panel if you don't see it. Go to Window, Swatches. This is where we'll define our custom spot colors. To create a new spot color, click the New Swatch icon at the bottom of the Swatches panel. In the New Swatch dialog box, give your spot color a descriptive name like Pantone 123C or Brand Red. Crucially, change the color type drop-down to Spot Color. You can also choose a specific color library, such as Pantone. If you need to match a predefined industry standard, select your desired hue and saturation, then click OK. You'll now see your custom spot color appears in the Swatches panel, often with a small dot indicating it's a spot color. Repeat this process for any other spot colors you need in your design. Apply these spot colors to your design elements. Just as you would any regular color, ensure your artwork uses these specific swatches for accurate reproduction. Now, to save as a PDF, go to File, Save as in the Save as dialog box. Choose Photoshop PDF as your format. Click Save in the Save Adobe PDF dialog box. It's vital to select an appropriate preset for professional printing. Often, press quality is a good starting point. Under the Marks and Bleeds tab, make sure to select options relevant to your printer. This might include crop marks for trimming and using document bleed settings. In the Output tab, under Color Conversion, choose Convert to Destination, Preserve Numbers. Then, select the correct CMYK profile that your commercial printer requires. This ensures your spot colors are outputted as intended. By following these steps, you guarantee that your spot colors will be printed with precision, providing that exact, vibrant hue you designed for a truly professional finish.